Hi, I'm Agile Bob, and welcome to another edition of Tuesday Tips. Today, my tip is about something that we all have a problem with. We all struggle with it. It's email. When did someone decide that email should be real-time communication? I don't get it. It's not real-time communication. It's asynchronous. I may not be there when you send the message. That's okay. Don't use email as real-time communication. It's not to replace face-to-face communication. If it's too long to write in a paragraph or two, go talk to the person. Call them on the phone, get them on Zoom, whatever it is. Have a conversation. Email is not a conversation. It's not a back and forth that's meaningful. You don't get to see the body language that people have. For example, if you simply read the word no in a message, was it no? Or was it no? Or was it no? All three of those have different connotations, and they're not going to come through in an email. So, use email as a last resort, not a first resort. Use it for very short, concise messages. It's not real-time communication and should never be used that way. Until next time, this is Agile Bob signing off.